Hi everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to convert your PPT slides into a video format. This option is very useful if you want to share your slide on any online platform like YouTube, or if you want to transfer your slides into a computer which does not have this Microsoft PowerPoint software and you want to play these slides. So this option is very useful. You will have these slides into a video format. You can play it anywhere, even in the PC which does not contain this Microsoft PowerPoint software. So this is very simple. These are the slides which you can see on my screen. What you need to do is, after just completing your slide, you can go through this option of file and you can just click save as, and in save as option you just need to click this options of MPEG video or window media video. These are the two formats of the video which are available on PowerPoint. You can convert in any of these. For instance, just click this option and you can just click save. When you will click save, you can see it will start creating these slides into a video format, and you can see the progress over here. Here the important thing is, whatever the location you will select, it will take time to convert these slides into video. And you can see the progress over here. Once it will be completed here, so that you can actually find that video file on the location you have selected while clicking save as. Once this conversion has been completed, you can open the selected location, and in that location you can see this video file. Let's just open it, and now you can see this is the video, and it consists of all the slides that were actually given in that presentation. Now it is ready to be uploaded on a YouTube channel, or even if you want to transfer it to a PC that does not contain PowerPoint software, but still you can play these slides. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.